My name is Rishkat Singh, and in this video, we'll be talking about the LinkedIn enhancement that I did on my LinkedIn profile. So, for our social media marketing course, we had to complete this LinkedIn learning that says Learning LinkedIn for Students by Oliver. So, based on his recommendations, I did some changes in my LinkedIn profile, which I'll be showing in this video. So, let's get started. So, the first enhancement that I did is the profile picture enhancement. As you can see, my before and after enhancement screenshots. Earlier, I didn't have any profile picture in my LinkedIn profile, but based on Oliver's recommendations, I added a profile picture with a plain white background that looks more professional. Next enhancement that I did is the background banner. As you can see, before I didn't have any background banner for my LinkedIn profile, but after watching his video, I used Canva to create a engaging background banner with my name and it says that I'm a marketing student and with my contact info. So if anyone wants to hire me, they can contact me easily. So for my headline and about section enhancement, I needed some keywords. So I came across this website that is LinkedIn GitHub Career Explorer. So in this tool, I added my city that is Greater Edmonton and I entered the job that I am looking for. So this tool gave me some keywords that I'll be using in my headlines and about sections to attract more companies. So for the headline enhancement, I uses those keywords. So as you can see earlier, I didn't have any good headline with no keywords, but using that tools, I use keywords like social media, SEO, digital marketing, and business to business marketing in my headline to make it look more attractive. So for my about section, I use the same keywords. As you can see earlier, I didn't have any good about section with no keywords, and it was really basic. But using that tool, I use the keywords like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and content marketing, Google Analytics, Facebook ad, search engine marketing. So these keywords look help my about section look more attractive to the organizations that are looking for a digital marketing manager. So with this interesting about section, they can easily reach out to me. For the skills improvement, earlier as you can see, I have mentioned very less skills, but looking at the Oliver's video and his recommendations, I added all the skills that I have gained through my part-time job and my academics so that companies who are looking for these skills can easily hire me. So the next enhancement I did is the experience section. I did mention my experience earlier, but it was really basic. I didn't have any description. So looking at the recommendations, I added the description of my job responsibility and I also mentioned some skills that I've gained in this job like time management, teamwork, problem solving skills. And earlier I just had one experience. I didn't added my previous experience, but I added my previous experience and also mentioned the skills that I have gained through that job like sales, communication, and customer service. So this enhancement has helped me to attract more organizations that are looking experience in these skills. Next section that I improved is my education section. As you can see earlier, I did listed about my education, but it was not attractive. But after the enhancement, I added my grade and also added the description about the skills that I am learning from this education and also mentioned about my previous education. For the additional profile enhancement, I mentioned about the two projects that I have worked at NEET. So the first one is the social media channel using SEO tools. So in this, I mentioned about the tools that we have used for this assignment like Keyword Planner, Google Trends, Uber Suggest, and GT Metrics. So it also showcased some skills that I've gained through this project like SEO, keyword advertisement. And the second one I mentioned was the Google Display and Search Ad Campaign. So it shows about the skills that I've gained, that is Google Ads and keyword analysis. So this section has added a value to my profile and it will attract companies that are looking for these skills. Next announcement that I did is adding licenses and certification section. So in this I added all my certificates that I have earned throughout my academics from LinkedIn Learning. So this section adds a value to my profile by showcasing all the learning that I have from LinkedIn. Announcement that I did is my profile URL. As you can see in this, earlier my profile was very difficult to search as it has this number behind the name. But after the recommendation from Oliver's video, I edited my profile URL and just added my first name and last name at the end so that it's easy for people to search for me on LinkedIn. So this is how my profile looks after the enhancement with this headlines and this background banner and this about section. This is experience, education, licenses, certificates, projects, and skills. So this is the final view of my enhanced profile. So for the concluding thoughts, I would like to say that improving my LinkedIn profile by applying strategies learned from the LinkedIn course for students and using the keywords from the LinkedIn Explorer tool, I get a better understanding of how to showcase skills, achievements, and certifications effectively. So now I feel more confident using LinkedIn to connect with more people and build my personal network and attract career opportunities. So from this assignment, I realized that small improvements such as career headline and a strong about section and providing information like skills, education, and experience can greatly increase profile impact and attract more companies. Thank you for watching my video.